Hello everyone. In this video lecture, few questions of 2019 GATE Mathematics for Electrical Engineering are discussed. Find the inverse Laplace transform Hs equals to s plus 3 by s square plus 2s plus 1 for t greater equals to 0. Hs equals to s plus 3 by s square plus 2s plus 1. So s square plus 2s plus 1 can be written as s plus 1 whole square. Now looking at this s plus 1, let us make it s plus 3 as s plus 1, then extra 2. Now let us separate s plus 1 and 2. S plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 2 by s plus 1 whole square. So cancelling 1 s plus 1, we have 1 by s plus 1 and rest is 2 by s plus 1 whole square. Now let us find the inverse Laplace transform of these two parts. Then using this formula, formula number 2 here, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus a is e power a t. Here a is minus 1. So we have e power minus t for the first term. And for the second term, let us apply formula number 4 here. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus a power n is e power a t power n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1. So n equals to 2 and a equals to minus 1 here, and let us put those in this formula, and we are getting 2 e power minus t power 2 minus 1 factorial 2 minus 1. So the result is e power minus t plus 2 e power minus t. Next question, if a equals to 2xi plus 3yj plus 4zk and u equals to x square plus y square plus z square, then find diff ua at 1, 1, 1. Let us find ua first. U is x square plus y square plus z square and a is 2xi plus 3yj plus 4zk. If we multiply these two, then we have 2x cube plus 2xy square plus 2xz square I plus 3x square y plus 3y cube plus 3yz square j plus 4x square z plus 4y square z plus 4z cube k. Divergence is del del xi plus del del yj plus del del zk. Now divergence of UA is del del x of 2x cube plus 2xy square plus 2xz square plus del del y of 3x square y plus 3y cube plus 3yz square plus del del z of 4x square z plus 4y square z plus 4z cube. Why? Because we know I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. Now finding the partial differentiation, we are getting 6x square plus 2y square plus 2z square plus 3x square plus 9y square plus 3z square plus 4x square plus 4y square plus 12z square. Let's see here, del del x of 2x cube plus 2xy square plus 2xz square is, here we are getting 6x square and here we are getting 2y square and here we are getting 2z square. Similarly, we are getting rest of the term, and if we put 1, 1, 1 in this, then we are getting as 45. Next question is, find the rank of the matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. To solve this question, let us do some row operations here. At first, let us make row 2 as row 1. So R1 as R2. Next, let us make R2 as R3. Now let us make R2 as R2 minus R1. Now let us make R3 as R2 plus R3. Now let us make R3 as R3 by 2. Now let us make R2 as R2 minus R3. Now let us make R1 as R1 plus R2. So this is the last stage. We cannot do any row operation more. Now let us find the determinant of this matrix. So 1 into 0 plus 1 and rest of the terms are 0. So this is 1 which is not equals to 0. Therefore rank is 3. Another question from matrix. M is a 2 into 2 matrix with eigenvalues 4 and 9. Find the eigenvalues of M square. We have a theorem that if lambda is a eigenvalue for M, which is a square matrix, then lambda power n are the eigenvalues of M to the power n. So here eigenvalues given as 4 and 9. Eigenvalues of M square will be 4 square and 9 square, that is 16 and 81. One probability question. The probability of a resistor being defective is 0.02. There are 50 such resistors in a circuit. Find the probability of 2 or more defective resistors in the circuit. Round up to 2 decimal places. Here given that P equals to 0.02 and N equals to 50. If x is the random variable, then we have to find probability for x greater equals to 2. We know the mean of binomial distribution is NP. So N is 50 and P is 0.02, so NP is 1. Now, when binomial is approximated to Poisson, then the mean of binomial distribution becomes the mean of Poisson distribution. So NP equals to alpha, which is 1. Probability mass function of Poisson distribution is probability at x equals to r equals to e power minus alpha power r by factorial r. Probability of x greater equals to 2 is 1 minus probability of x less than 2. Now x less than 2 will take two values only at x equals to 0 and at x equals to 1. So at x equals to 0, using the PMF of Poisson distribution, putting r as 0, we are getting e power minus 1. Similarly, putting r as 1, we are getting e power minus 1. So we have 1 minus 2 e power minus 1. Calculating it, we are getting 0.26, which is the answer. Now to understand this part, probability of x greater equals to 2 is 1 minus probability of x less than 2. Here you see in the number line, if this is x equals to 2, the right part is x greater equals to 2 and the left part is x less than 2. Now the total probability is 1. Probability at x less than 2 plus probability of x greater equals to 2 is 1. So probability of x greater equals to 2 is 1 minus probability of x less than 2.